not the best time for an activity plan, which calls for art, diplomacy, or caution, as you tend to be extremely simple, direct, and point in all their interactions. You say what you think, and actually even willing to be verbally aggressive, pushy, or sarcastic. Your mind is very sharp today.